India's Central Board of Secondary Education is all set to bring back the Class 10 board exams 6 years after it was scrapped. In 2010, the Class 10 board exams were replaced with a system called the Continuous and Comprehensive Evaluation that has a grading system instead of marks. So how is the academic fraternity reacting to this?
I think it will be better if we are able to give up coping up strategies to our children to be able to cope up with exam pressure. Since it's a highly competitive world, at the end of the thing, it is, after all, even if they're sitting for IIT or they're competing for a medical examination, later for UPSC examinations beyond graduation, if you look at it, there is a certain level of competition. We have to make them very mentally strong and academically sound, put them both together, and these cases also can be taken care of.
The CBSE is also planning to make changes to the no detention policy, according to which students cannot be failed till class 8.
From class 10th and class 11th, there is a huge gap in the syllabus. It's a quantum leap. And the feedback which you get from parents and students, the students, they are not able to handle. Term-wise breakup in CC, class 10 students, they find it extremely difficult to handle the entire year syllabus in class 11th.
Students, the main stakeholders in this change, feel a board exam in class 10 will better prepare them for the much tougher class 12 exams and the competitive entrance tests to the country's top professional colleges.
Board exams provide us a platform where one can judge our intellectual level, and it also builds a heavy competition among all the students.
It is a bit difficult studying for the board examination, but in the 10th board examination it will give an experience of how to prepare, and it will give the kind of pressure that we will face in 11th, so that we have an idea how to face the board examination in 12th.
Though student councillors say the board exams put too much pressure on students, many academics and parents feel the class 10 board exams lay the foundation for higher education in India, given how competitive getting admission in top colleges is with their high cut-off rates and limited seats. With video journalist S.K. Chandrasekhar in New Delhi, I'm Shailija Varma for WION.